Yes.
There was a proper introduction about the topic. It was a rephrase, and the writer has chosen the particular side with which he is going to adhere to the rest of the topic. Then in the second paragraph, the writer has elaborated with rational examples along with its benefits. There was a consistent cohesiveness with the writing, and given if the writer differs about something, that is to a very small extent, still that is, and he adheres to the concerned topic. Finally, the conclusion lines were very simple, and that described his opinion and totally emphasizing on the topic.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Yes.
Paragraph should be in good structure. The task will be explained clearly. The grammar and the word should be good use. No repetitions of word. All talk is all about the given task.
Good.
Written with logics and examples. Your conclusion should be perfect as your intro. All statements should be linked to each other. All sections have their one point. It means you will discuss what you want to say in that section.
Good. Yes, Mara, what you concluded from it?
The paragraphing is the most important factor. There should be 4 paragraphs. First paragraph should include the introduction paragraph, which should be most strong and clear explanation should be given. The second and the third paragraph should explain which the agreement is to be followed. The structure should be developed in a good way, and there should be a good vocabulary, good clear sentence making should be there, and structure should be accurate. The fluency of the sentences should be developed in a good way, and the errors of the spelling should be avoided, and the conclusion should be made in a stronger way that it could be clear, it could be more clear.
That's
and,
great. That's great. Thank you. Yes, Sira, how did you find today's lecture? What you learned from today's lecture of reading?
Today's reading lecture was very informative. I learned the tips and tricks how to attempt the question paper and the time management, and how I will be able to improve my score.
Yes, Rachel, what did you learn about today's lecture?
Ma'am, today we learn a reading task, and we learn how to improve our time management or how to improve our score.
Yes, Nimra, what was the most interesting point of today's lecture?
Till today, I thought reading test is tough, but after the lecture, I am confident. I can confidently say that I can attempt reading test easily.
Yes, Sana, what's your view about it?
The lecture of today was very informative, and I came to know that where I am doing mistakes, and now inshallah by this lecture I will improve my mistakes.
Surely. Yes, Sabrar, what is your view about today's lecture? What are you expecting after it?
And today's lecture was wonderful, and now I am hopeful that I will get better score.
Yes, Ishaq.
After today's lecture, I learned that how to overcome our mistakes, and inshallah I will score much better.
Yes, Subhan, as it was your first day,
It was
how
my
did you
first,
find it?
reading lecture, and I find out that the good strategies how to implement them in a reading lecture, and it was a good session for me.
Yes, thank you. Yes, Hassan.
I got many information like how to apply strategies to
Yes.
attempt questions. The most specific about yes, no, not given. That
Yes.
was very difficult for me before this lecture.
Okay.
So inshallah I will try
Yes,
to
best of
attempt.
luck. Best of luck. Yes, Umar.
It was very informative. The tips and tricks given to us will help us in saving our time and getting good bands.
Yes, surely. Yes, Ahmed.
I hope next time I will strong.
Yes, you will get good score. Yes, Irfan. What's your view?
Reading lecture that was given today was very good.
And what did you
Informative.
expect? What did you expect about your score?
Inshallah,
You will be able to achieve your task?
Yes, of course.
Yes, inshallah, inshallah.
I will, inshallah.
So wish all of you best of luck. How much score improvement you expect after today's lecture?
I was very confused before this lecture. Now I am relaxed and I will gain inshallah more than 7.
Inshallah, inshallah. Yes, Shahzaid.
Yes. Today's lecture was quite informative. I just learned the tricks that were required, and I just realized the mistake that I usually make during the attempt. And inshallah, I will just get back with the strong boom.
Inshallah. Yes, Sareeb, what's your view about today's lecture?
I got to know the mistakes I was doing while attempting my reading test. I hope that I will improve my score next time.
Surely, surely.